Okay, an impromptu sound test and dB test on the 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator 450, 500, whatever you want to call it. We're doing a pre and post because that big suitcase is coming off of there. We are installing a Coffman's Thunder on this as soon as we do this sound test. Fire it up. So idle is right at 77, 78 if I stop talking. Okay, rev it up to about 2/3 RPM. Good. Now give it a couple of red line blips. Cool. So I'm 99 on the peak.
All right. Don't want to get it too hot.
Yeah, because we got to grab a hold of that. Okay.
That looks
So much better.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, that looks so much better. It is just amazing. We got to take pictures. We didn't take pictures of the before and after.
You know what?
We need to done it now.
I'll stick to this and do the pictures.
Okay, so the Coffman's Thunder is now on the bike. The factory suitcase is missing in action, thank God. And we're gonna fire it up for the first sound test. See what she does. Wow, she's louder. Definitely louder. That's fast idle because it's cold. Before it wasn't idling that high. All right, go ahead and hold it up to about 2/3 the scale. Go back up and hold. Let it idle a second and give it a red line blip. It sounds like it's cold because it's on a fast idle. Yeah, it's calming down now a little bit. Yeah, that's a warm idle. There you go. All right, let her rip. Yep. It pops. The pops always register about 3 or 4 dB higher. Okay.
Definitely better.
Yeah, she sounds like a proper bike now. Yeah, and that's with the dB killer in there. It's almost as loud as yours without it.